Welcome, little artists, to a magical drawing adventure. Today, we are going on a happy journey with a tiny yellow friend named Pikachu. Get your paper, pencil, crayons, and imagination ready. As we draw together, we'll slowly help Pikachu wake up and come to life inside our story. Take your time, relax, and remember, every line you draw is part of the adventure. Let's begin. Far away in a peaceful meadow, something tiny and adorable was hiding behind the flowers. At first, we could only see the top of a round yellow head peeking out. So let's help Pikachu appear by drawing the outline of its head. Draw a big, soft, rounded shape in the middle of your paper. Make the curve smooth and gentle, like a fluffy cloud. This will become Pikachu's sweet, happy face. Wonderful! Pikachu is starting to appear. Suddenly, Pikachu heard birds singing in the distance. One tall ear popped up to listen carefully. Let's draw the left ear. On the top left side of the head, draw a long, pointed ear stretching upwards into the sky. Let it curve softly and proudly. Amazing! Pikachu can hear the adventure beginning. Then, the other ear bounced happily in the wind. Let's draw the right ear. On the top right side of the head, draw another tall pointed ear. This one can lean outwards a little, making Pikachu look playful and excited. Fantastic work, little artists! Now both ears are standing tall. Pikachu looked around curiously. Suddenly, one shiny eye opened. Let's draw the left eye. Inside the face, draw a big round eye. Add tiny shiny circles inside to make the eye sparkle like magic stars. Color the eye black, but leave the shiny spots white. Wow! That eye looks bright and full of wonder! Pikachu became even more excited to meet us. Its other eye slowly opened too. Let's draw the right eye. Draw another big sparkling eye on the other side of the face. Add the tiny shiny highlights again and color the rest black. Now Pikachu is looking right at you with adorable happy eyes. Great job! Pikachu felt safe and friendly. A tiny little nose appeared. Then a cheerful smile stretched across its face. Draw a small oval nose between the eyes. Under the nose, draw a cute smiling mouth shaped like a tiny soft W. Aww, Pikachu looks so happy now. But something was still missing. Pikachu's magical electric power started glowing inside its cheeks. Let's draw two big round cheeks. Draw one circle under the left eye. Then another circle under the right eye. These special cheeks help Pikachu store electricity for exciting adventures. Wonderful work! Now Pikachu stepped out from behind the flowers. We can finally see its little body. Draw two soft curved lines downward from the head to create the upper body. Keep the body wide, rounded, and cuddly like a plush toy. Excellent drawing, little artists! Pikachu wanted to run around the meadow and play. So now we need to finish the lower body and little feet. Continue the rounded shape downward and add two tiny feet at the bottom. The feet can be small and simple. Perfect! Pikachu is standing proudly now. Suddenly, zap! A giant lightning-shaped tail popped out behind Pikachu. Let's draw the tail. On the right side, draw a big zigzag lightning bolt shape. Make the angles sharp, but fun. Then connect the tail back toward the body. Awesome work! Pikachu's electric tail looks amazing. Pikachu became so excited that it lifted its tiny arms. Let's draw the left arm and right arm. Draw two soft curved arms in front of the body. Make them small and rounded, like tiny paws ready for hugs. So cute! Now it's time for coloring magic. Take your bright yellow crayon or marker. Carefully color Pikachu's body yellow. Color slowly and gently inside the lines. The bright yellow color makes Pikachu cheerful and full of energy. Wow! Pikachu is glowing beautifully! Now grab your red crayon. Color both round cheeks bright red. As you color them, imagine tiny electric sparks dancing inside. Amazing coloring, little artists! Now let's finish the tail. Color the bottom part near the body brown. Then color the rest of the tail yellow. Perfect! Pikachu's tail is now fully charged for adventure. Wait a second. Did you see that? Pikachu's ears just twitched. Its cheeks started glowing. The tail swished side to side.
Hello! I love you!
Pikachu jumps happily and waves at you. Pika, Pika. You did it, little artists. You brought Pikachu to life with your creativity and imagination. I had so much fun drawing with you today. You did an incredible job following the story step by step. If you want more magical drawing adventures, cute characters, coloring fun, and surprise animations, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Keep drawing, keep smiling, keep imagining. And I'll see you in our next magical art adventure. Bye-bye, little artists!